In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a report using Journey Analytics in HubSpot. This is a great way to track your customer interactions and see how people move through your marketing and sales processes. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and heading to the Reports section from the main menu. Once you're there, click Create and choose Report. This will open up the options for building your Journey Analytics report. You can either pick a pre-built template from HubSpot's report library or use their AI-powered tools to help design a custom template. Templates are perfect if you want a quick setup with everything already structured, while the AI option can help you tailor the report to your specific needs. After selecting a template, you can add and arrange the events or steps you want to track. For example, you might monitor when a contact opens an email, submits a form, or engages with your website. You can also set filters and a date range to focus on the data that matters most to your goals. Once your events and filters are in place, your Journey Analytics report is ready to go. You'll now have a clear view of how contacts move through your processes, helping you make smarter decisions and optimize your marketing strategies. And that's how you create a report with Journey Analytics in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.